So everybody knows affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. But what are the best affiliate programs to promote? Which are going to get you the most money? Well, in this video, I'm going to be going over my personal favorite affiliate programs and letting you know why to help you make a decision which ones to promote. But guys, before we get into this video, if you're interested in videos just like this one, I post a video every single day helping you make some money. So guys, check out my channel, click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell as well to stay on top of any future uploads that I post. And guys, as always, my #1 recommendation is at the top of the description. I highly recommend you click that. That's going to teach you exactly how you can promote these affiliate programs, okay? So make sure you check that out after you've watched this video, and you can learn how to make a full-time passive income online as an affiliate marketer. But without further ado guys, let's get into this video. Alright, so for the most part guys, this video, the list is going to be in no particular order. However, I wanted to put this as #1 because if I want you to take anything away from this video guys, I want it to be about this one right here. This is ClickFunnels. This is by far my favorite affiliate program to promote, and there are a few reasons for that which I'll go over right now, okay? So if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, it is a website where you can build funnels, okay? If you're an up-and-coming entrepreneur, or even if people with experience, they always need funnels. We are always building sales funnels and stuff like that, okay? So ClickFunnels makes that very easy. They got a drag and drop software which just makes it just so easy, guys, okay? So I really like the product itself, but their affiliate program is great as well, okay? So I'll take you over to this page right here where we can read about their affiliate program. I'll have a link for this in the description down below. I highly recommend clicking that link once you've watched this video, coming over to this and reading all through this yourself, because it is quite long. There's a lot to it. I'm not going to be able to go over everything, okay? So there's two main things that I really like about the ClickFunnels affiliate program. One, it is recurring commissions, okay? Monthly recurring commissions. On average, you're going to get out of $40 per person per month that you get to sign up, okay? Because it's $100, roughly it's like $97 or $98 per month for this, and you're going to get 40% of that. So it's around $40 per month from each person you get to sign up. That's at the low end, guys. If they purchase one of the higher offers, you're going to be earning around $180 per month per person. So really good commission rates right there. 40% recurring commissions every single month. Another thing that I really like about it is this right here, sticky cookies, okay? Sticky cookies do a very cool thing for you, okay? They follow your visitors across all devices. If someone registers for a webinar at the office on their phone, but then watches the webinar at home, don't worry, Sticky Cookies has you covered. So what this means, guys, is whatever they purchase, if they sign up under you, whatever they purchase forever is going to come back to you. You will get a commission on anything they purchase forever on any single device that they're using, okay? They are sticky cookie to you if they signed up under you, okay? So ClickFunnels has funnels that people can buy, and it'll cost them thousands of dollars, and you're going to earn 40% commissions on those too. Every single thing that they sell, you're going to earn a 40% commission on. And they have some very expensive products on here, so you can earn some big commissions. So that are the two reasons that I really like it. The recurring commissions plus the sticky cookies. These sticky cookies are fantastic, guys. They're the best thing about this by far. So that is why I put this at #1. I highly recommend ClickFunnels, guys. Check this one out. I'll have a link for it in the description down below. Alright guys, next up is going to be Bluehost, okay? I'm only going to be promoting things that I actually use, products that I actually use myself and I trust and that I actually really like, and Bluehost is one of those. This is by far the best web hosting service in my opinion, okay? I've made a video on this in the past because I like it so much. Bluehost is really good. Their web hosting is great. It's very affordable, and they are one of the best, okay? But their affiliate program is pretty decent as well. It's not as good as ClickFunnels, okay? They don't have recurring commissions or anything like that, but you're gonna get about $65 for every single person that you sign up, and that's not a bad deal at all, guys, because web hosting is such a broad niche, okay? Everybody who makes a website, everybody who has a website needs web hosting. And obviously, you know, there are millions upon millions of websites on the internet, and there are so many getting made every single day, and every single one of them needs web hosting. It doesn't matter what niche they're in, if it's the same niche as we're in, like making money online, or any other niche whatsoever, okay? They need web hosting. So there's so many people that this could reach, Okay, if you make a video or something promoting this, there's so many people it could reach, and you're gonna earn $65 every time, with a chance to get more than that as well. Okay, if you get a lot of referrals, if you refer a lot of people to Bluehost, you can contact them, ask them for higher commissions, and you can do that, okay, and earn up like $100, $150 per person. All right, next up is going to be Amazon. A lot of people, well, you all know what Amazon is, but a lot of people don't know that you can actually be an affiliate for Amazon. So there are a few different ways that you can do this, guys, and you can earn commissions of up to 10%. It's not huge commissions, but if you're in a specific niche that the products are expensive, then you can earn some decent commissions, okay? You might have seen videos, like review videos and stuff, tech gadgets and all stuff like that, cameras, computers, TVs, all sorts of different like electronic devices. A lot of people do review videos on these just because they could post an Amazon link in the description and earn commissions on that product, okay? A good thing about Amazon is that they are actually cookie to you for 24 hours. So say you make a YouTube video on a TV review, okay, a Samsung 49-inch TV review, okay, so that's like $1,000 TV. If somebody clicks that link and purchases it, you can earn like a 10% commission. That's maybe $100. If they don't actually purchase that TV, but they have clicked your link and they go to Amazon like 3 hours later and purchase something completely different, you're still gonna earn a commission on that as well, okay? For 24 hours, you'll earn a commission on anything that they buy. So like I said, guys, if you can make a YouTube channel, something like that, do review videos on all sorts of different things, whatever niche you are in, you can make review videos on that and put Amazon links and earn commissions. Next up is SEMRush. Okay, guys, this is an SEO tool that once again is a necessity for anyone who's starting an online business. SEO is a huge part of any online business, okay? So SEMRush, they have a very, very good affiliate program once again. So if you scroll right down to the bottom, okay, click on their affiliate program, and they call it a BRush, okay? This will take us to a new domain, new URL, brush.com, okay? So that's what they call their affiliate program. So with this, guys, you can earn 40% recurring commissions for SEMRush subscription sales. So just like ClickFunnels, guys, it is a 40% recurring commission. That means every single month that whoever you referred pays for SEMRush, then you will earn a commission on that one, okay, guys? So again, very, very good. I love these recurring commissions because it's just income every single month, just passive income coming in every single month, and it just builds up over time, okay? So check this one out, guys. You can read all about it, their advantages and stuff like that on this website. I'll have it linked in the description down below again. Next up is NordVPN. Okay, this is a VPN software which will keep your internet, you keep yourself secure. Okay, everybody loves to have their computers secure these days, and VPNs are very, very hot products right now. A lot of people are getting them. Okay, so NordVPN, they have probably the best affiliate program out of any VPN that I've come across. You can come onto this website again. A link will be in the description down below, and you can read all about it here. Okay, so if we scroll down, here are the commissions that you can earn. So if the customer purchases the 1 month offer, you will get 100% commission for that first month, okay? And every time it's renewed, you're gonna get 30%. So you're gonna get 30% of the commission every single month on that one. 6 month offer, you'll get a 40% commission one time, and then 30% every 6 months after that, and so forth, guys, okay? So again, these are like recurring commissions for every single month or 6 months or year or 2 years that the person is signed up for NordVPN. Highly recommend this one, guys. Like I said, VPNs are very, very hot right now. It's a good time to get involved and be an affiliate for NordVPN. Next up, we're going to talk about BuilderAll. Okay, so BuilderAll, just like ClickFunnels, is a tool that you guys can use to build funnels and all sorts of stuff. Okay, BuilderAll actually has a lot more features on this website. I highly recommend checking this one out if you want to start your own online business. Anyway, I'll have a link for it in the description down below. But guys, to be an affiliate for this is very, very good as well. Okay, it blew up in 2018 because their affiliate program is so good. You might have noticed a lot of people were promoting this because it is so good, guys. You earn 100% commission on the first sale, and after that, guys, you're going to get a 30% recurring commission every single month. Okay, and even better, on top of that, guys, you're gonna get it. They do a 2-tier commission thing as well. So anybody that you refer, Okay, anybody that person refers, you're gonna get commissions on those as well. 30% commission on those people as well. Okay, so it's 2-tier. You refer someone, they refer someone, you're gonna get commissions on both of those people. If we scroll down here, guys, I don't know where it is exactly. It's a very long page right here. Here it is. So this is a little calculator that you can work out. So how many licenses can you sell in 1 year? So say you get 100 people to sign up. There is $4,990 straight away, boom. And that is $1,497 every single month, okay? A monthly recurring fee of that much. But then, guys, like I said, it's 2-tier. So out of those 100 people, let's say 25% of those people will also be an affiliate and promote this as well. So let's just put 25 people there. And let's say those 25 people get just 10 sales each, okay? That would be $4,990 because of the 100 people that we straight up $4,990 straight up, 100% commissions. And then because of the 2 tiers, we'd be earning $5,239, okay? And that's pretty low, guys. 100 in 1 year is very, very achievable, okay? Having 25 of those people getting 10 sales each in a whole year is very achievable as well, okay? So you could scale this up a lot. If you scale it, you did 1,000 right there, okay? How many will work in affiliate? So let's still stick with 25%, so 250. And how many sales each affiliate will make? Let's keep that as 10. Look at that, guys. That would be $49,900 from the 1,000 people. And that would be $52,395 every single month. So this is very, very scalable. Once you start promoting it heavier and you know how to do it, you learn how to do it better, you can earn huge amounts of money with BuilderAll. So I highly recommend checking this one out, guys. All right, these next two, I'm going to tie them in together because they are the same thing. They are autoresponders, okay? Email autoresponders. And just like most of these ones that I've shown you today, these autoresponders, they are a necessity for any business owner, okay? These take off so much workload for you, it is unbelievable. So anybody who starts an online business, once they get an autoresponder, they will probably never cancel it because it just saves so much time and effort. It is unbelievable, okay? Imagine having an email list of like tens of thousands of people and having to write emails and constantly send them out emails, and it just takes so long, guys. So these do it all for you. So the software itself is fantastic. It is 100% needed for anybody, and like I said, they are so good and so much help that you will probably never cancel it. And anyone who you refer will probably never cancel it until they close down their online business. So guys, right here we've got Aweber and GetResponse, okay? They both have very, very good affiliate programs. Again, I'll have links down below in the description so you can read all about them here. But the best thing about it, guys, is the 33% commission. That is a recurring commission once again with GetResponse, and also with Aweber you get a 30% recurring commission. So every single month that a customer pays for this, you're gonna earn a commission on that. And guys, like I said, people never cancel these. I've had somebody that are referred to Aweber years and years and years ago, and they are still paying to this day, okay? I've got a lot of people just like that because they don't cancel it because they are so helpful, save so much time. So guys, I highly recommend promoting these and becoming an affiliate for Aweber and also GetResponse. Next up, we have a legendary marketer. So this is once again one of my favorite programs, okay? Not only just because of their product, but because of their affiliate program as well. If you want to know about a legendary marketer, guys, their product is basically they provide you with training on digital marketing, affiliate marketing, okay? They have a very, very good training inside here. But in this video, we're not talking about that. I'm going to show you the commissions that you can earn. So if you scroll right to the bottom of the page and click on the compensation plan, you can see some of the commissions you can earn. So you have the choice with this one, guys. You can create a free account, or you can create a pro account, what they call it, and earn a lot better commissions, okay? Look at this, guys. This is what the free account is called, a basic account, okay, or a pro account. And these are all the different things that you can earn commissions on. So if you have a free account, you're going to earn a very, very low commission. So if you get somebody to join the Legendary Marketers Club, they will pay $30 per month, and you will earn $9 a month for that on the free account. If you sign up for the pro account, you're going to get double, okay? And I highly recommend doing that, guys. The pro account is only $30 per month, okay? Look, to become a pro affiliate, create an affiliate account and set the pro option at $30 per month. And you'll earn 40 to 60% commissions on product sales. That is so much better, guys. Okay, as a basic, you only earn 10 to 30% commissions. So you can earn up to 4 times the commissions just for paying $30 per month. That's $1 per day. Okay, highly recommend paying for the pro account. It is definitely worth it. Like I said, getting 4 times the commissions. Even on the low end, you're gonna get double the commissions. Definitely worth this, guys. Okay, so the more expensive products, okay, Entrepreneur Mastermind, that will cost $12,000. If you have a pro account or just paying $30 per month, you're gonna earn a nearly $5,000 commission on that. Imagine you weren't paying that $30 per month and somebody bought this and you missed out on over $3,500. You'd probably be crying inside, right? Because that's a huge loss just for not paying $1 per day. So guys, the affiliate program on here is very good. Again, it's monthly recurring commissions if they're paying for this. Okay, it's not a lot, $18 per month. But what I like about this, guys, is it's very low ticket offer on the front end. Okay, $30 per month, that's all they got to pay. Very easy to get people to pay that. And then after that, guys, they've got on the back end, they've got a lot of high ticket stuff. Like I said, the next one's $250, $2,500, loads of $2,500 ones, $8,000, and then a $12,000 one. They've got a lot of high ticket offers on the back end that you could potentially earn commissions on. So I highly recommend Legendary Marketer, guys. Check it out, link in the description down below. So there we go, guys. Those are my personal favorite affiliate programs. I've gone through the reasons why, and now it's up to you which ones you want to promote, okay? But I highly recommend checking them all out. Like I said, links for every single one are going to be in the description down below. All of these things that I've mentioned, I use the software, I've used all of them. That's why I highly recommend them, not only because they have great affiliate programs, but because the products themselves are actually great as well. So they are easy sells. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family as well if you think this will help them. And leave a comment down below, guys. Let me know what are your favorite affiliate programs. I'd love to learn about some new ones. So leave a comment down below for me. But guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.